Children, welcome to our English lesson. Grade 5, Term 3, Module 9, Holidays, Lesson number 1. The theme of our lesson, Seasons and Months.
Lesson objectives. Understand supported narratives, including some extended talk, on an increasing range of general and curricular topics. Keep interaction going in basic exchanges on a growing range of general and curricular topics. Use with some support appropriate layout and text level for a limited range of written genres of familiar general topics and some curricular topics. Listen and repeat. What are these words in your language? What month is your birthday in?
Winter, winter. December, December. January, January. February, February. Spring, spring. March, March. April, April. May, May. Summer, summer. June, June. July, July. August, August. Autumn, autumn. September, September. October, October. November, November.
My birthday is in March.
And now, children, listen and repeat new words.
Cloudy, cloudy. Cold, cold. Foggy, foggy. Freezing, freezing. Hot, hot. It's raining, it's raining. It's snowing, it's snowing. Sunny, sunny. Warm, warm. Weather, weather. Windy, windy.
Exercise 2. Children, look at the picture. In these exercises, you should match the sentence to the drawings. Exercise 3. In this exercise, you should complete the sentence with the new words. For example, in my country it is cold in winter. Okay, children, let's do exercises from Workbook. Exercise number 1. In these exercises, you should write the missing months and answer the question, which is your favorite month? Exercise 2. In these exercises, you should fill in the correct weather word. Show the picture and write weather.
Okay, children, do you like our English lesson? Give feedback, please. Write comments. I like the lesson very much. I find the lesson normal. I find the lesson not bad. Okay, children, goodbye.